Daily maintenance of small C and C milling machine C31. After each processing is completed, clean up the residue after processing. Use rust inhibitor. Wear an oil bottle for storing engine oil. Spray evenly on the working surface, prevent rusting. The spindle needs to be sprayed. Regarding the second machine tool guide rail, there is an oil pump on the side of the machine tool. Need to be pulled by hand. Then it slowly returns on its own. The oil will slowly jump towards the guide rail. We need to manually move each axis of the machine tool. Make the oil evenly distributed. Or use an oil pot. After installing the engine oil, squeeze onto the top of the machine tool guide rail. After squeezing the oil on all guide rail surfaces, move each axis of the machine tool again. Make the oil evenly distributed on the guide rail surface. Continuing with the Z-axis of the machine tool, the Z-axis position mainly squeezes this position. There is another direction. The Y-axis is squeezed on these surfaces. Then the X-axis of the machine tool. The X-axis is squeezed onto the contact surface. After squeezing it on, and the machine tool screw. After squeezing the oil into all the above positions, finally manually move each axis of the machine tool. X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. The above content is about C31 small C and C milling machine, operation process of daily maintenance.